Hi, my name is Dawn and this is my review of the Bubbly Belle bath bombs. So I was provided this item for review. They are made in the USA, made right here in Florida. They are primarily comprised of Epsom salt, coconut oil, natural fragrances, choline clay, which is an exfoliant. I can say right before I even open the box, they smell really great. So very sweet. When you open it up, it says, "Make life sparkle." And you get a sweet note that says, "Your potential is endless." And brightly colored bath bombs in here, about a tennis ball in size. And they smell really good. So this one is called Believe, Sandalwood, Bliss, Raspberry, and Vanilla. Really, really cute. I can see these being a great gift. This is their extra large box. It's a count of 12. They're approximately 5 ounces each. And it says to simply drop them into a warm bath and to enjoy. And they should take about 5 minutes to dissolve.